Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start 7th chapter of your book Fair Play. And in this video, I'll share the summary of this chapter, then some exercises. On the base of summary, you have to solve and send it on my personal WhatsApp number. So now let's start the summary. So the main character of this story is Jumman and Algu, and this story is about them. It means this story is about Jumman and Algu. They were very close friends. They care each other. If one is absent, other looks after his friend's family. Although they were very close and good friends, but they understand the value and importance of justice very well, and prefers to do justice even against his close friend. And that should be in fact. We should never do injustice for the sake of friendship or anything else. So Jumman and Algu were very close friends, but the differences arose between them because of Jumman's old aunt. Actually, what happened? Jumman had an old aunt. He had no one to take care of her. So she came to Jumman and said, "I'll transfer all my property to you on condition that you will look after me." So Jumman agreed. After that, what happened? In the beginning, everything was going very well, but with the passage of time, things were getting changed, and Jumman and his family were tired of old aunt and insulted her. They didn't care the old aunt and treated her very bad manner. So the change and rude behavior made the aunt unhappy. Then she decided to live alone and ask for monthly allowance to maintain a separate kitchen for her. But Jumman refused to give monthly allowance, so the aunt took her case to the village panchayat. Then the panchayat was held, and Algu, who was close friend of Jumman, was nominated as head panch by the aunt. So Jumman was very happy and confident that Algu will never go against him and will give decision in favor of him because he is Jumman's close friend. So after nomination, the panchayat began, and Algu heard argument and cross-questioned Jumman as well. It means Algu asked some question to Jumman. Then guess what would happen? Algu didn't care of his friendship and gave decision in favor of old aunt, as it was according to the justice. So after that decision, Jumman felt betrayed, as he thought that Algu would consider his friendship and will take decision in favor of him, not his old aunt. But nothing happened as he was thinking. Algu gave decision according to the justice. So because of that decision, their friendship was broken and became enemy of each other and never meet. In short, Jumman was hoping that his friend, the head punch, will take decision in favor of him because of his friendship, but his friend Algu did not care of his friendship and gave decision against his friend. So this decision made Jumman very angry, and he felt that his friend cheated him and did not support him. So he got angry and broke his friendship with Algu. So The days passed and Algu faced a difficult situation. It means Algu has some tough time. He had some financial problem and also one of his bull died. So he sold second one to a villager named Sahu. Sahu was a cart driver who bought the bull of Algu and got 1 month's time to pay the payment of the bullock. It means Sahu had to pay the payment of bull within 1 month. But unfortunately, what happened? The bull was also died within 1 month. It means the bull which Sahu bought from Algu died within 1 month, and the payment was not paid yet. So when Algu asked for the payment, Sahu was denied. When Algu asked for the payment, Sahu denied because the bull which he bought from Algu died within 1 month. That's why Sahu denied to pay the bill. He said, I will not give you any payment. You can use my bullock as many days as I used yours. Then return my bull. But Algu was not agree with that deal, and he decided to take his case to the panchayat. So both of them met with the people to draw the consent of many to be in their favor. It means both Algu and Sahu were meeting with the villager to convince them to support in the panchayat. Sahu was asked to choose a head panchayat. Sahu proposed the name of Jumman. Jumman was also looking for the chance to take revenge from Algu. So Sahu nominated Jumman as head panch because he knew that Jumman was enemy of Algu and he wanted to take revenge from Algu. That's why he decided to nominate Jumman as head panch. Jumman also wanted to take revenge from Algu. Now he got the chance to take revenge. But once he got the responsibility to be the head of Panch, he understood and realized the value and importance of being head. So instead of taking revenge from Algu, he decided to do justice and gave decision in favor of Algu, who was right and correct in that case. So he announced that Sahu should pay the price of bullock to Algu. Then Algu embraced Jumman and they were friends again. So this is the summary of this chapter. I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.